Iginiit naman po ng Malacanang na dumaan sa tamang proseso ang Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro bago ito lagdaan ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas MILF nitong nakalipas na Marso 27. Binigyang tingin ng Malacanang na hindi nito nilabag ang saligang batas sa pagbuo ng nasabing kasunduan. Balikan natin ang report ni Rocky Ignacio.
Binigyan din ng Malacanang na walang nilabag sa saligang batas ang pinagtibay na Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro. March 27 ang lagdaan ng pamahalaan at Moro Islamic Liberation Front ang kasunduan na magiging daan sa tunay na kapayapaan at kaunlaran sa Mindanao.
The instruction of the President in negotiating for the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro was to make sure that it will be within the parameters of the Constitution. And we believe certainly that the CAB can withstand judicial scrutiny.
Sinabi ito ng palasyo sa pahayag ni Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago na umani unconstitutional ang naturang CAB.
Well, obviously, Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago's opinion is different from other constitutional lawyers as well. There are other constitutionalists which found the CAB as constitutional.
Nauna nang sinabi ni Government Chief Negotiator Miriam Coronel Ferrer na ilalatag nila ang tinatadhana ng CAB sa mga kasabay na rin ito ang panukalang Bangsamoro Basic Law bilang batayan sa pagbuo ng bagong political entity kapalit ng ARMM.
Be that as it may, Chair E.F. Ferrer already mentioned that she would like to sit down with Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. And as we will do with all the legislators, because certainly this bill, which is now in the process of being finalized, will be submitted to Congress for their legislation enactment.
Dagdag pa ng kalihim, malayang matatalakay ng mga mambabatas ang probisyon ng kasunduan, pati na ang sinusulong na Bangsamoro Basic Law sa Kongreso.
Legislative discussion will be the ground for discussing all these issues. And we have said time and again that the panel, as well as the legislators who are in support, will discuss these issues at hand.
Sa kasalukuyan ay patuloy pa rin binabalangkas ang Transition Commission sa pamumuno ni MILF Peace Panel Chief Mohaguer Iqbal ang mungkahing Bangsamoro Basic Law. Isusumite kay Pangulong Aquino at kapag inaprubahan, dadalhin na ito sa Kongreso at sesertipikahan bilang urgent. Inaasahang makukumpleto ang implementasyon ng CAB hanggang sa taong 2016. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.